Hello, second grade mathematicians. We're going to work two problems together to practice solving word problems. Please work the problems as I work them. Feel free to stop the video so you can complete your work portion before moving on to the next piece. Our first problem says, Vanessa collected 78 marbles. Jake collected 23 marbles. If they put their marbles into one bag, how many marbles would be in the bag? Draw a diagram to show your answer and explain your thinking. So the first thing I think of is my part whole mat. I know if they're putting their marbles into one bag, that one bag is going to be my whole. So that is where my unknown is. I know that Vanessa has 78 marbles, so that goes in the first of my parts. Then I know that Jake collected 23 marbles. That goes in my other part. And I am trying to find what goes in the whole. So I know that I need to add these numbers together. There are lots of ways I can add numbers. I can think of base 10 blocks, a place value chart, or a number line. For this problem today, I'm going to use a number line. So I've started my number here at 78. And then I know I need to add 23. So I've got jumps. I'm jumping 10, 10, and then 1, 2, 3. So what I did was I have 10 and 20, 21, 22, 23. And you can see that in my label here. If I add 10, right here I'm at 88. Then I add 10 more, I'm at 98. Then I add 3, 99, 100, 101. So I know that if I have 78 marbles and I have 23 marbles, all together in that bag, I would have 101 marbles. Let's try question number 2. At the seashore, there were 65 shells. A big wave came, and then there were only 19 shells. How many shells were washed away by the wave? For this problem, I want to use base 10 blocks. So I'm going to start with my 65 shells. I have 6 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So altogether, I have 65 shells. A big wave comes and there's only 19 shells. How many shells were washed away by the wave? Well, if I have 19 left and I want to know what was washed away, that's going to be a subtraction problem. So I know I'm going to have to take away 19 shells from my picture. But I only have 5 ones here, and I'm going to need to take away 9 ones. So that means I have to borrow some ones from this 10. So I'm going to say I have 5 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then I'm going to take this 10 and break it into ones. So now I get to add 10 ones over here to the 5 I already had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I still have 65 blocks. I just am showing it in a different way so that I can take away my 9 ones. I have 50 plus 15, which is still my 65 shells. Now I'm going to take away the 19 that were there with the big wave. So I'm going to start by taking away 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I have to take away 1 10 right here. 1 10. And then I count what is left. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 43, 44, 45, 46. So I have 46 left. That means there were 46 shells washed away by the wave. Remember our problem solving process as you go